Shri Pradeep Kumar Agarwal, Chairman cum Managing Director of the Cotton Corporation of India, has profound experience of nearly 3 decades in the cotton sector. He possesses an excellent academic record, being a gold medalist in BCom, followed by master's degree in commerce from Lucknow University. He holds a bachelor's degree in law and fellow chartered accountant. Before joining CCI, he served the UP Samaj Kalyan Nirmal Nigam, a UP government undertaking, for 7 years. After joining CCI in the year 1994, he had worked in various departments, that is, finance, purchase, sales, HR, etc. He was selected by the Public Enterprises Selection Board as Director in Finance of CCI in the year 2012. He has also served as Director in Marketing of CCI for a long time. Now, he has been appointed as Chairman cum Managing Director of CCI. Sir, I extend a cordial welcome on behalf of the entire GNVS family, and I request you to kindly share your words of wisdom with us. Over to you, sir.
Dr. R.K. Shaili, Director of GNVS Institute, Shri Kamal Kumar Shivaramni ji, MD, Stig Energy Services, Dr. Giri Shankar, Head GS Venture, my young boys and girl students. My both past speakers have given a very enlightening and encouraging speech. I really want to meet them. It will be my pleasure. I feel immense pleasure to be a part of this great event, and I extend a warm welcome to all my students who have joined new academic year to continue their technical voyage through blended learning and a whole new exhilarating experience. At the outset, I congratulate all of you who have been selected and enrolled for MBA course in this prestigious institute, renowned for imparting quality education. I'm sure that each one of you has a distinct spark, and within the knowledge, skill, exposure, and confidence you will get in this institute, you will become a very competent, complete professional to deal with uncertainties and complex situations in your professional life in future. Many of you will be big powerhouse or stalwarts in the country on whom the institute and the country will feel proud of. With my experience of around 35 years, I express that the crisis and challenge always enhance your competitiveness very sharply and make you strong if you handle it very efficiently. And if you don't take it seriously or handle it lightly, it may lead to frustration or depression. You can say चुनौतियां जो चुनौती होती है लाइफ में, if you handle it nicely, आप निखर जाएंगे, otherwise आप बिखर जाएंगे. So always take it as a challenge. It will improve your competitiveness. I suggest you all to inculcate the habit of digesting the success of your friends and colleagues, because that is a very important quality. If you can digest the success of your colleagues or your seniors, then that success stories will become a motivating part in your life. But if you don't digest it, or if you don't take it seriously, the methodology they adopted, then that success will become a jealousy and frustration for you. So always take the success of others as a motivating force for you. My personal belief is that success should always be driven by two motives, ambition and ideology. Because if any success is without ideology, it will not help you, because the society or the country which has given you so much, you should always link your success with ideology of helping others, helping society. Then the real meaning of success will come to your life. That principle is the best principle, and I think if it is a combo of both ambition and ideology, in right proportion, success will always touch your feet and no one can stop you from becoming a famous personality. I'm sure that the relationship you develop in this campus with your fellow students, faculty members, college staff, they will be the best source of motivation and support for shaping your future career. Therefore, always be thankful in your life, whatever you get in this campus. In real life, problems will come. Problems always gives tension, but you have to handle these tensions in a nice manner and never, sometime you should forget the tension. Never give attention to those things which gives you tension, because that is the best time you can prepare yourself for handling the tension. Stress management is a very important thing in life. And your goal should be very much focused, like Arjun. Arjun always saw the only eyes, not the bird. That should be your focus. In real life, money doesn't matter alone. You have to develop relations, customers' relations, sincerity, dedication, efforts, persistence, and your boldness to face the challenges in life. These things make you a strong personality to handle the situation. मैं एक कविता के माध्यम से आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि हर समय हर चीज पे रिएक्ट करना जरूरी नहीं होता है, क्योंकि लोग आपके बारे में क्या सोच रहे हैं दैट डजंट मैटर ए लॉट. यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन योर गोल, डोंट लिसन टू अदर्स. मेरी खामोशियों में भी फसाना ढूंढ लेती है, बड़ी शातिर है दुनिया बहाना ढूंढ लेती है. हम अगर कुछ बोल रहे हैं उसमें भी मतलब निकालेंगे, लोग नहीं बोल रहे हैं उसमें भी मतलब निकालेंगे. तो इसी को एक शायरी के रूप में मैं बता रहा हूं. मेरी खामोशियों में भी फसाना ढूंढ लेती है, बड़ी शातिर है दुनिया बहाना ढूंढ लेती है. हकीकत जिद किए है बैठी चकनाचूर करने को, मगर हर आंख फिर सपना सुहाना ढूंढ लेती है. हमें ड्रीम करते रहना चाहिए, दूसरों से गाइड नहीं होना चाहिए, मिसगाइड नहीं होना चाहिए. उठाती है जो खतरा हर पल डूब जाने का, वही कोशिश समुंदर में खजाना ढूंढ लेती है. चिड़िया की न कमाई है न कारोबार है कोई, वो सिर्फ हौसले से आबोदाना ढूंढ लेती है. बर्ड की ना तो कोई इनकम है ना कोई बिजनेस है, वो केवल अपनी बोल्डनेस से अपना इंतजाम कर लेती है जीने का, खाने का. जुनून मंजिलों का बचाता है भटकने से. इफ योर गोल इज फोकस्ड, you will not deviate from your path. जुनून मंजिलों का बचाता है भटकने से, मेरी दीवानगी अपना ठिकाना ढूंढ लेती है. Your passion is the best source to search your goal. That should be the spirit.